Hey, what do you say, my fellow weekend warriors? Today we're grilling up the best chicken wings you'll ever have in your life. I'm using my Gateway drum smoker today, but you could use your pellet grill, you could use your pellet smoker. We just want to get it set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And these chicken wings have been marinating overnight. But before we get into that, let me show you how to fire up this drum smoker. I'm using some Kingsford Blue today. I'm just gonna pour in some of this here. And then I'll take one of these tumbleweed fire starters, put that right underneath in the bottom of the ashtray. I'm gonna open both of these air intakes all the way open so we get real nice airflow. And then I'm gonna give my tumbleweed fire starter a light, just like that. And then once it gets going, we can drop it down into the pit. You'll see here at the bottom of my pit, it's a little dirty. I'll probably clean that up tomorrow. But for right now, we're just gonna set this down so that tumbleweed is right in between those two air intake vents. That's gonna get us a fire a lot faster. And now we can just let this go for about 20 minutes. That's about how long it takes to get going. And because we're not smoking today, we're actually grilling. What we wanna see down here on the temperature probe is the dial work its way all the way up to the red grilling zone. And I'm gonna do these wings today at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're following along on your pellet grill or pellet smoker, that's what we're shooting for today, 350. And after that first 20 minutes, then we can put the grate in, put the lid down, help stabilize the temperatures a little bit. But for now, we gotta get these chicken wings ready to go. So let's get to it. So these are the wings that I marinated overnight. You'll see there's quite a bit of marinade in there. This recipe is good for 24 wings. I'm only doing a dozen. And to make this marinade, here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a half a cup of soy sauce. Just dump that in. Then you'll need 6 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. Then you'll need a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then this ingredient is what makes this really special. This is calamansi, very popular in the Philippines. To me, it tastes like a combination of a lemon and a lime. Real citrusy, tart, nice little sweetness to it. So I'm gonna put in about 1/4 of a cup here. I'm not gonna measure, I'll just eyeball it. And then you're gonna wanna smash up 6 cloves of garlic. So we're gonna give it that nice garlicky punch. And then we'll finish it off with the zest of a lime and a tablespoon of black pepper. Just give it a nice mix. And then what you wanna do with your chicken wings is I'm just taking a fork here, but you could use a metal skewer or anything you want. You want to poke some holes in there, help that marinade get down into the meat. Then we're just going to pour the sauce over the wings, put the lid on it, and that's it. The marinade's done. 12 hours in the refrigerator overnight. You want to come at maybe every couple hours, give it a shake, make sure that everything is nice and coated, and then you're good to go. You're ready to throw them on the grill. And the best part about grilling chicken wings or cooking them at the higher temperature like we're gonna do today is you're gonna get that nice crispy skin that everyone loves. That's why chicken wings are the best. They have the highest skin to meat ratio, and there's nothing better than gnawing on a little chicken wing bone. So here with our marinade, what we're gonna do is dump it into a saucepan, bring it to a boil, and we're gonna use that to baste our wings later. Just the last couple minutes, we'll use a mop to mop it on the wings. And these chicken wings are ready to meet the grill. Let's do it. Pull the lid off. Got my grate ready to go. Now what you wanna do, regardless of what you're cooking on, I'm gonna lay these out as flat as possible. And I love cooking wings on this drum. Chicken and ribs are this thing's specialty. So we're gonna spread these out, give them plenty of room. And I'm putting them down right over the coals. Lay them nice and flat. Just like that. I'm gonna put this lid back on and let them go for about 7 minutes. And it's been exactly 7 minutes. Let's get this lid off. Ooh, baby. That's looking good. We're gonna flip them. Starting to take on some real nice color already. There we go. And I'm just gonna rotate this grate about a quarter turn there, just so we get a little bit more even of a cook. And let's put this lid back on and we'll go another 7 minutes. All right, it's been another 7 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Let me get a quick temperature check. I like to cook my chicken wings right up to about 180. And we're sitting at 145, 157 in the flat. So we're gonna give them another flip. Man, that's looking good. Give it another quarter turn here. Put this lid back on. We'll go another 3 minutes. All right, this lid's getting hot, so I'm wearing a glove. Take this off real quick. Man, look at that, just beautiful color. Real nice. I'm gonna flip them one more time. Just all that juice hitting those hot coals down there is creating a whole nother level of flavor. Quarter turn. And now's the point where I want to start basting these with our sauce. So I got my mop. And we're just going to hit them up real quick. We don't want to leave this lid open too long. There we go. Get this lid on and come back in 3 more minutes. About to open this lid again. If you guys can see this smoke and steam coming out of there, it smells so unbelievably good. Man, you're gonna love it if you try it. Let's flip these over one more time. Ooh, buddy. That's the good stuff right there. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah. Now we're starting to get crispy. Those are beautiful. See the skin starting to bubble up there. I'm gonna hit them with one more mop. And from this point forward, we're gonna leave the lid off. We're gonna go high flames just to get that final char on them. Give it a turn. Gorgeous. Just do a quick temperature check here for safety. That one's at 198 in the flat. And we're at 185 in the drum, which is right where we want it. So yeah, all we care about now is crispy skin. All right, we got them off the grill and on the board. That only took about 20 minutes on the grill total. Used that mop sauce that we marinated the wings in overnight. And I do like to garnish them. So I cut up 2 green onions here that we're gonna sprinkle over top. There we go. You eat with your eyes first, right? So let's get some green on there. Beautiful. Then I'm gonna top it off with some chopped nuts. It's the same stuff you would put on like a brownie. A little bit of texture, a little bit of flavor, a little bit of interest. Oh man, these are gonna be outstanding. All right, it's time to try one of these guys. It's probably still too hot, but I'm just gonna rip that off and let me go in for a bite. Here we go. Oh my God. That is so unbelievably good. And hey, if you like this video, check out one of those two right there. Hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you over there.